Hello everyone, my name is Alf, and behind me here I have my 1993 Landcruiser 80 series.
It's been parked outside the workshop for a while now, since the head gasket blew up a couple of months ago. And although I already removed the engine, still has to rebuild that before I can get out in the desert. A few things about the truck. This was the first car I bought when I arrived here in Dubai 6 years ago, and used as a daily driver for quite a bit, in addition to taking it to the desert and camping. Done a few things to it, repainted the whole car, got a new metal bumper, got a tray on the top. Inside it's still fairly stock. New seat covers is the major thing I've done there. Looks quite good. There has a crack in the dashboard there, as you can see. Somebody put in aftermarket stereo before I got it. I installed the iPad holder, so I have a navigation, things like that. Also some USB charge outlets there. You can see the glove box there. Had to remove that to get the engine out. In the back, some more parts from the removing the engine. A lot of storage space there. You can even sleep back. I normally sleep back there with a thin mattress or something when going to the desert. So it's a very practical car and almost indestructible, maybe with the exception of the engine there. And in this first episode of this series with the Landcruiser, I'll show how to get the engine out of the car, and then how to dismantle the engine and then just break it into pieces. Some of it will have to go to a machine shop to be machined and refurbished, and other things will just have to be cleaned. And then in later episodes we look at how it's being machined and how it's being put together, and hopefully back in the car and out in the dunes as soon as possible. So we're starting with taking the engine out and dismantling it. can see, the engine block is in generally good condition, but you can see clearly on cylinder 1 that it has water damage, also the cylinder bore. So hopefully we don't have to rebore, but can just re-hone it. And the bottom end shows more signs that water has mixed with the oil. And I finally found out why the car always took a long time to get up to operating temperature.
With the engine out of the truck and in pieces, it's time to get to the machine shop.
And here it is. Primarily cylinder 1 that needs some work. Then a good clean for everything, new bearings, new piston rings, and we should be good to go. See you next time when we head off to the machine shop with the parts.